Let's head back out to the track where renovation work is on in earnest on the track at the GC Foster College with a team from manufacturers Regupol on the island. Among the workmen are two Jamaicans who have been working with the Germans for more than a decade, and they're promising to do their best work for some of the best athletes in the world.
Derrick and Elvis McLeod are from the August Town community in Kingston and have been working with the Regupol team out of Germany for more than 15 years.
I've been working from 2010 on Huey Bowl. That's Usain Bolt field in track and field on Huey. Yeah, we started from there with Regupol company in Germany. We're doing it from Jump Street, from dirt. Put it that way. When the asphalt, because we live across the road in August Town. So from the asphalt, we see they pave the asphalt, and then the German guys come and talk to us and show us how to lay the glue down and then put on the granite and then smooth things off and line and everything like that. So it wasn't that long. Call it within 6 months, we know everything.
Well, we can do everything, we do cuttings, because as I tell you, them train us, teach us about the work and everything,
The pair explain the scope of work they have done so far.
We put down the carpet, we mix glue and put on the carpet, and we use granular. That is the finishing touch, what we're doing now.
We measure the line properly, the feel, we put the glue on, we put the granite on, then we clean it off, step by step, and it worked out perfectly. The only thing that's what giving us problem is the rain at times. So when it rains, you can't do nothing because on the ground is glue. So glue and the rain does not mix. So we have to wait till it dry properly.
Style describes fixing bad spots on the track.
When the track has been asphalt, granite, everything been done properly on the track, and in times now we have to fix it because bubble comes up. It can form at all different parts. Bubble come up, so we have to cut out the track, fill it back, put it back on the same level and carry on. If you look patch all around and it doesn't look good, what we do, we put the glue back on, put on back the granite, and then line it properly and then line it out.
Now, for McLeod, he is very protective of Jamaica's athletes and believes only Jamaican workers can do the track justice.
The best we try to give the athletes, no matter run upon it, them have this winning spirit. So we give them the right thing what we're supposed to do.
The work is expected to be completed in October. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.